LEOD. Not much, but you just add extra sounds that the character doesn't have / filler sounds. You have a lot of good sounds, but still do. Maroob and Mike. You're great, but the Juggernaut, I don't like the sound when he shoots. It just doesn't sound right. Maybe it is. Whatever. And you have a download link. So good job, mate. Juggernaut makes cool sounds. You good gang, just give me Duchess sounds now. Me. Personally, I got no critiques about girl who post toilets. No beef, just don't delete your channel. I punched a wall last time that happened because my playlist of sounds, half of them just disappeared. Also, don't commit
KYS? That bitch tells me KYS?
If you do it, probably could cause chain reaction. Just saying. I was in that place before, depressed and thinking about KMS. Logica Studios. You are my main inspiration. The Quelts. You only have one sound, but that sound is good. Guy who posts toilets. I could probably get to Skibidi toilet episodes before you make more sounds. Maybe even 4. You are also my main inspiration. The Alliance DC2. No beef, that core hijacker was fire. Dipsy Teletubbies.
Dipsy!
Your good sound creator. Upgraded Cat Skibidi Toilet 2.0. So you're making Roblox POV videos and these Skibidi toilet sounds. That's quite a combo. It's like you're trying to do everything, but nothing really well. Your unclean sounds are so bad, it's almost impressive how you managed to make them almost sound worse than the original. And your grammar in your bio. Let's just say, my 5-year-old self in 2020 could probably write a clearer sentence. Maybe stick to just watching the series instead of trying to make audio for one.
Promise you you'll catch me.